Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Studio. How are you my all subscribers and your friends? I hope guys you are all the best. In my video I gave you brand new short haircut, hairstyles and hair dye color ideas, which is about the latest trendy shoot with the haircut, hairstyles and hair written impression designs ideas from over the place for women of 2023. All these collections of short haircuts you can use to make your personality elegant and gorgeous. And if you are fashion lovers and you want to know the latest shoot, pixie haircut, hairstyles and hair detail fashion, then subscribe my channel. In my channel should get all the latest fashion design ideas of haircuts live. It's a haircut, pixie bob haircut, pixie cut, short hair hairstyles, bob cut for girls and many more other design ideas according to your